stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'd like to share with you my latest project, and this is a vintage junk journal. This project is really special for me because there is a lot of work involved in creating this journal. I used the covers of Webster's New World Thesaurus, and this is copyright 1985, so this book is 37 years old and the cover is still in excellent condition. I used a simple closure, which is a Tim Holtz knob and elastic. And then to protect the corners, I use this very pretty corner protectors. I did a hidden stitch binding but added elastics in between signatures. That way, an ephemera folio or another signature can slide in and out of the band. This is really a beautiful cover. There are some very light and minor scratches on the back, but considering that this is 37 years old, I'd say this is still in excellent condition. To bind the signatures, I use the 3-hole pamphlet stitch binding, and I use this fabric cloth and fabric lace, and it is so pretty. For the inside pages, I use the paper pad from Paper Rose Emily's Garden. It's a beautiful paper collection and it is so worth it. It's expensive but so worth it. I also added coffee stained paper and avocado dyed paper. Some of them are a little grungy looking, but I love this effect, so it's all good. There are plenty of loose ephemera because the inside pages are not embellished, they are naked. And so I again provided a folio full of ephemera and tags and really beautiful journaling cards.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
I also have die cuts here and a combination of vintage and not vintage elements that can be used to really decorate and beautify this journal.
You set my world on fire.
These pages are loose and they can make pockets or tucks, and then this folio full of ephemera can also be removed from the book. And the 3 signatures are bound permanently. So I will do a flip through and play some music. I hope you stay till the end of this video. I'll be back before it ends.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I am back. I hope you like this flip through and I hope that you like the book. Let me know what you think. This will be in my Etsy shop tonight, and if you're interested, the details will be in my description. Thank you again so much for supporting my shop and for supporting my work. And if you are new and not part of my YouTube family yet, please do hit that subscribe button and join. I would really love to hear your comments. So thanks again everyone for watching. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.
My life was great till you added colors.